Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about 4 things that I personally do, and I know maybe you can do them too, that can help you stop being poor. That can help get you to that state that you want to be in. Because a lot of people actually don't want to be wealthy. A lot of people don't want to be rich. A lot of people just want that mid-ground. No, where you got 1 to 5K in your bank account, you make enough money to pay all your bills, and you just want to have that access money to do your activities. You know, whether it's going out, hitting the movies, buying video games, buying in-game apps, you know, buying something for your niece and nephews, whatever that thing may be. You just want enough money to live your life simply. You're not trying to do all that extra stuff. Hey, I get it. Only random crazy people who wear like graphic t-shirts named Exia do all that stuff to try to be a millionaire.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. But you can do certain things that can help get you to that lifestyle quicker and more effective. And I have 4 things that you most definitely should look out for. Like, just look into these 4 things and they can most definitely help you get to that situation. So yeah, let's do that. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before we hop right into the video, how about we hop your screen to that like button? Just boom, hit it real quick for the one time. I really do appreciate it. And since you right there hitting that like button, because by hitting that like button, you really help the YouTube algorithm, push my video out so my channel can grow. To the right, there's a button that says subscribe. Sometimes you see it, but you think you clicked it, but you didn't click it. So just look over there again and make sure you clicked it. Like, yeah, I appreciate it. I really do. But we talk about 4 things that I personally do that I think a lot of people should kind of incorporate in their life that can help them. My number 1 thing is, truthfully, people should learn how to say no.
What?
Yeah, it's something as simple as saying no. I may say it in a different way, like I ain't got it, but it's still a no. Why do I think that's such a big thing to learn how to do? Because a lot of people get peer pressured into situations. A lot of people know they shouldn't, but then they walk into these places and their impulses just get the whoo-hoo. Whether it's dollar stores, 5 and below, Targets, whatever your store is, that just you walk in and you just magically walk out with something.
Smart decision, young man. We can put that check in a money market mutual fund. Then we'll reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
You gotta learn how to say I ain't got it. You do. You just have to learn. It's so easy. Just try it for a day, a week, a month, and just watch how much it helps you. Every time somebody say, hey, let's do this, I ain't got it. Just that simple. I ain't got it. I ain't embarrassed that I ain't got it. Because I know I ain't got it, and vast majority of people ain't got it. So guess what?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
No point. Hey, you wanna, I ain't got it. I ain't got it. And truthfully, if you actually say you ain't got it and you around actual homies or friends and family, if they really want you to go, you know what they gonna say? Hey man, you wanna go? Bro, I ain't gonna cap with you. I ain't got it. Bro, I just really want somebody to go with me. I pay for it. Hey, and just like that, I'm right beside you. Captain, where we going? Long as it's free, sound fun. But if I gotta pay, it ain't happening because I ain't got it. Just be in the stack. Like, try it, people. It can really help you. I promise you. Another thing you can do that can help you, stop being poor is learn to check your accounts, people. Every morning, at lunch, at night, check those accounts. Know how much money is in your bank account. There's so many people who just run off and spend, swipe, whatever, and they don't take the time to actually look in their account. Like, they just got paid Friday and they know the money just came in, but they got like a bunch of stuff on auto pay, and they don't really take the time out their day to start doing the math and subtracting to know how much they actually got. They just know that I got paid X amount on Friday, It's Saturday. I want to have some fun. That's not the way to do it. It's not the way to do it. Check your accounts. Like, don't be that person who just have one of those weekends and you just don't want to look at your account. Like, you don't want to see the aftermath of whatever you did the day prior. You don't want to do that. You need to know what's in your account at all times. Like, don't wait till you that next person in line. Now, no, they get done. They didn't pay. Now they walking towards the door and you want to say, hey, how you doing? And then immediately pick up your phone to try to check your account. Don't be that person. Know how much money is in your account. Check your account daily, people. You need to know. Now I know a lot of people not gonna like to hear my third one, but truthfully, it must be said. What's keeping you poor? You're not working enough. Yes, I said it. I'm not afraid. It needs to be heard. You're not working enough. There's a lot of people out there like, oh, well, no point in me working this extra hour because, you know, it's really just gonna get ate up by taxes. And it's just the extra $100. I mean, I already just had an off day. Are you Bill Gates? How many people you know? How many people you know? You like, hey, yo, if I had an extra 100, hey, yo, spot me an extra 100. Hey, can I have $50, $20, $60? You wouldn't have to ask for that if you want to work. Yes. Oh, but you know that last day, you know what I'm saying? I get overtime, but they really just, you know, I get taxed so much, you know that? Don't matter. There's more to work than you think. What does work do for you? 1, it helps you make money. 2, it helps you to stop spending money because you're at work all day. Right? 3, yeah, you pay taxes. We all do. It's tough. Don't mean you don't need no extra money. Go to work. Like, quit trying to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is working. That's it. If you want to create you a side hustle or a thing, learn how to do that outside of your regular job. Go to your regular job. Like, don't be trying to get your side hustle more time than your actual job when your actual job is the one that's mainly paying your bills, people. Go to work. Let work. Go. Do the extra hours. It's okay. We all have to. Life is tough, my guy.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These facts are not facts.
Alright, guys. Last but not least on my list, number 4, try to learn a skill.
You smart.
Try to give yourself an hour of your day where it's just in your mind thinking while you're at the job, while you're at home late night. Try to devote at least an hour of your day to trying to better yourself, whether it's through physical exercising or reading to try to learn a new skill. Like, just dedicate an hour. I know it may seem like a lot, and for some this may seem like it's not enough.
Because it's all part of the plan.
But that's a stepping stone to helping yourself grow. You can't grow as a person if you're not attempting to at least learn something every day. Now, I'm not saying you got to be a whole philosopher, a scholar, and anything. It's just something that's trying to learn something every day and try to devote like literally an hour to that. Like me, for instance, when I really want to learn about personal finance and I really want to get there, I will spend literally like the last hour of my day, like before I went to sleep, just researching personal finance, interest rate, everything I could possibly think about. I just sat there on my phone or computer and just Googled away until, you know, you just read up on it. Just little things like that can make vast amount of difference because it can lead you down rabbit holes that just you would have normally got to if you didn't try to devote your time to trying to better yourself. Like, a lot of people want to really, you know, get into paint. You can do that for, you know, read up on that for an hour, or maybe personal finance, or maybe it's cooking, or maybe it's learning another language, or maybe it's, you know, getting your real estate license. Do it. Like, devote an hour a day to trying to better yourself. It will go a long way. Because at the end of the day, we all want to be a better person than we once was. So just do it for yourself. It really does make a difference. Like I said, I started and now I ain't stopping. But those are my 4 things that I personally think, you know, people should try to, you know, incorporate in their life to really help themselves grow. No, maybe you know have some other skill or tip or thing that you think can help. Give me the fifth thing, right? Leave it in the comments. What do you do to help yourself grow? I would love to hear about it, because maybe it's something that I can start doing and it help me. So leave it in the comments. Do not forget to like this video. Once again, please subscribe. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.